60 days from now, you could be a completely different person. Dare to take this challenge and watch your confidence skyrocket. Have you ever wondered what life would be like if you could tackle every challenge without hesitation? This 60-day challenge could be the turning point you've been waiting for. Over the next 2 months, you'll break down the barriers holding you back, building real confidence step by step. This isn't just about feeling better. It's about seeing new doors open, seizing opportunities, and rewriting what's possible for you. By the end, you may not even recognize the person you've become. Are you ready to see what 60 days of real commitment can do? Building a strong foundation is crucial for real change, especially when it comes to confidence. In the first 2 weeks, self-awareness is key. Knowing who you are, understanding your strengths, and being honest about your weaknesses lays the groundwork for real growth. Often, we think we know ourselves, but we're sometimes blind to the habits and beliefs holding us back. Taking just a few minutes each day to check in and ask, what did I feel good about today? Or, what moments made me second-guess myself, can reveal a lot. These questions bring hidden fears to light, things we may have ignored or downplayed, but which truly affect how we see ourselves. Alongside this, daily journaling is a powerful tool. Writing down thoughts can feel awkward at first, but it's a way to catch the small negative thoughts that pop up without us even realizing it. When we're able to identify these, they lose their power. Maybe it's the voice saying, "You're not smart enough," or "You don't belong here." By putting these on paper, they start feeling less like facts and more like opinions that don't serve us anymore. Positive affirmations work alongside journaling by introducing the opposite message. Each day, using short, uplifting statements like, "I am capable," or "I deserve to be here," can change how we see ourselves, even if it feels strange at first. These affirmations gradually replace doubts with a stronger belief in our potential. Finally, focusing on small wins builds confidence practically. Setting achievable goals, whether it's speaking up in class or completing a workout, shows us that we can keep promises to ourselves. These little successes build the belief that bigger goals are also possible. It's about proving to ourselves, step by step, that we are capable of change. Expanding comfort zones is where real growth begins. In these next few weeks, the goal is to try new things, even if they feel small. Taking risks doesn't have to be extreme. It can start with something as simple as learning a new skill or trying a hobby you've always been curious about. Each small step adds up, slowly building the courage to face new challenges. For instance, trying something creative like painting or cooking a new recipe isn't just fun. It's a way of proving to yourself that you can tackle new experiences and handle the unknown. Engaging in more social interactions can be intimidating, but the rewards are worth it. Joining a group activity, whether it's a club or a local event, places you in situations where meeting new people is natural. These moments teach you how to introduce yourself, how to keep a conversation going, and most importantly, how to feel comfortable with others. Little by little, these interactions become easier, and the nervousness starts to fade. Daily challenges can also be effective in pushing boundaries and helping build confidence step by step. Try complimenting someone or starting a brief conversation with a stranger. These actions, though small, are powerful. They show you that people are often friendlier than you expect, that starting a conversation isn't as hard as it seems, and that you're capable of creating positive moments with others. It's through these daily efforts that you'll feel your confidence grow naturally. From days 31 to 45, the focus shifts to self-care and physical confidence, essential for building a strong, steady foundation of self-assurance. Taking care of physical health is more than just exercise. It affects how we feel, think, and even interact with others. Regular exercise, for instance, releases endorphins, which naturally boost mood and reduce stress. These positive effects can make you feel more energized and optimistic, creating a lasting impact on confidence. Adding better nutrition and quality sleep to the mix builds a solid foundation, so your body and mind are in sync, and ready to take on new challenges. Body language is a powerful tool for boosting confidence. Small adjustments, like standing tall with good posture, can change how others see you and even how you feel about yourself. Making eye contact and using open gestures convey confidence and make interactions feel genuine and strong. Practicing these little habits daily can transform self-perception, making you feel more present and engaged in every situation. Celebrating progress, no matter how small, is also essential during this phase. Maybe it's acknowledging that you followed through with an exercise plan for a week, ate healthier meals, or managed to improve your posture throughout the day. These moments are worth noticing because they remind you that change is happening. Recognizing these steps reinforces positive habits, showing that small actions add up over time. With each accomplishment, you'll feel your confidence solidifying, step by step, as you move forward. From days 46 to 60, the focus is on strengthening the mindset, making confidence a lasting part of who you are. Positive thinking is central here, and small practices like gratitude journaling can be incredibly powerful. By writing down 3 things you're grateful for each day, you start shifting your attention toward the good around you. This simple habit helps reduce negative thoughts and reinforces a sense of appreciation and optimism, which naturally boosts confidence. Practicing mindfulness also grounds you, helping you stay calm and focused in the present moment rather than worrying about the future. Visualization adds another layer to this mindset work. Spending a few minutes each day picturing yourself achieving your goals or handling situations with ease can boost your belief in yourself. By visualizing yourself as someone confident, capable, and resilient, you create a mental image of success that feels more real and attainable. Facing fears head-on is where real transformation happens. Choose one major fear you've avoided, whether it's public speaking, initiating conversations, or trying something entirely new. By confronting it directly, you break down the walls that hold you back and realize that fear loses its grip when faced directly. Finally, setting future goals ensures this journey doesn't end after 60 days. Think of small, achievable goals that keep you on track. Planning for continued growth gives you a sense of direction and purpose, making confidence a natural part of your life as you continue moving forward. As you reach the end of this 60-day challenge, remember that confidence isn't just something you achieve once. It's a journey that grows with each step. Every small action, every moment you step out of your comfort zone has brought you closer to the person you want to become. Now, imagine where you could be a month or a year from now if you keep building on this foundation. If this video has inspired you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and share your experience. What's the biggest fear you're ready to face? Let us know in the comments below.